All right, so hey, I want to show y'all guys why y'all should like invest in my kits. Why my kits are great for your production. It will help you, right? So I already told you guys about, you touch on the pad, you get a different articulation, like, you know what I mean, like a real drummer, right? Check this out right here. These are rolls. Every time I touch the pad or lift my finger up, you get a different articulation. That's pretty cool. Those things would kind of help you with like a natural swing in your beats, like giving your production a custom feel or humanized feel that much more easier. Think of like more J Dilla or Pete Rock or whatever else like that. So your stuff don't sound as mechanical. So I'm messing around with this hat here, right? And say if I press the note repeat. All right, so let me play this right here for you. So instead of it being like really mechanical or whatever, it almost sounds like a real drummer. It's like, just going really rapid fire at that hi-hat, right? All right, so I'm going to play this beat I'm working on. It's nothing serious, but I just made it to demonstrate how this will all work in your production. Listen. It almost sounded like you had a real drummer playing those hi-hats. Like, invest in my kits, buy my kits. They won't let you down. I appreciate all the support you give me. I love y'all guys and everything. Support your boy. So I can make more stuff for you. So I can make more products for you or whatever. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. I love you. Take care.